Model: 65-plate Ford Transit 350L3 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H2D cab van body, white, panel van mileage, 208939 MOT, 20 March 2024 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Slight leak from intercooler pipe, will need replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.